Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust ringtone volume on iPhone 16 Plus. To adjust the ringtone volume, go to Settings, then go to Sounds and Haptics, and here you can adjust the ringtone and alert volume. You can also enable changing it with buttons. So from now on, whenever you're not currently playing media like music or videos, then you can see that I'm changing the ringer volume with the volume buttons, and if I were playing music right now, then I would change not the ringer volume but the media volume as it was before. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.